Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to stop a debit order on the FNB banking app. To begin, open the FNB banking app on your mobile device and log in using your username and password, fingerprint, or any other login method you have set up on your account. Once you are logged in, go to the Accounts section. Select the account where the debit order is being deducted from. After opening the account, look for the Account Options menu and tap on it. This menu contains several account management features. From the available options, select My Debit Orders. This section displays the debit orders linked to the account you selected. Browse through the list and find the debit order that you want to stop or dispute. Tap on the specific debit order to open its details. On the next screen, tap the Stop or Dispute option. The app will then ask you to select a reason for stopping or disputing the debit order. Read through the available options and choose the one that best matches your situation. After selecting your reason, tap Continue to move to the next step. Once you are ready, accept the terms and conditions and submit your request. The app will process your instruction and provide confirmation once the request has been successfully submitted. Thanks for watching.